Welcome to Top 10 Wild. Today we are taking you on an incredible journey through nature to discover the largest animals on Earth. From the endless oceans to the vast savannas, we're going in search of the giants of the animal kingdom. These enormous creatures are not only massive in size, but also play a crucial role in their ecosystems. Are you ready to discover which animals deserve the title of largest? Let's get started. Number 10. The Indian bison. Let's start with one of the most impressive wild cattle species in the world, the gaur. These majestic animals, which are primarily found in the forests of India and Southeast Asia, can weigh up to 1,500 kilograms and stretch up to 3.5 meters long. They are also known as the Indian bison, and that's no coincidence. The gaur has the impressive size of a bison, combined with a strength that commands respect from even the fiercest predators. Gaur are grazers and spend most of their time eating grass, leaves, and twigs. They have a massive muscular body that allows them to move swiftly and efficiently through the forest. Despite their size, they can run surprisingly fast and use their strength to defend themselves against predators like tigers. What makes the gaur so fascinating is the way it protects its herd. They live in tight family groups, with the dominant male gaur leading the way. It's not uncommon for the male gaur to defend his herd against threats with remarkable strength and precision. If you've ever seen a gaur in the wild, you'll immediately understand why they are considered the kings of the forest. Number 9. The saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile, also known as Crocodilus porosus, is the largest reptile in the world and one of the most feared predators on Earth. With a length of up to 7 meters and a weight of up to 1,000 kilograms, this giant is a master of the water. The saltwater crocodile is found along the coasts and rivers of Southeast Asia, Australia, and the Indian Ocean, where it is an extremely efficient hunter. What makes the saltwater crocodile so remarkable is its ability to survive in both saltwater and freshwater. These reptiles have a special adaptation mechanism that allows them to move seamlessly between different water conditions. They use their power, speed, and stealth to ambush their prey. It's not uncommon for a crocodile to lie still in the water for hours, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Saltwater crocodiles also have an incredibly sharp sense of sight and can navigate underwater with precision. This makes them formidable hunters with few natural enemies. In fact, the saltwater crocodile is so successful in its hunting strategies that it stands as the apex predator in its ecosystem. Number 8. The polar bear. Now let's head to the icy north, to the region around the Arctic Ocean, where the polar bear reigns over the frozen tundra. Weighing up to 1,500 kilograms and reaching lengths of up to 3 meters, the polar bear is the largest land predator on Earth. This impressive predator is perfectly adapted to the harsh conditions of the polar region, with thick fur that protects it from the cold and a layer of fat that keeps it warm from the inside. Polar bears are excellent swimmers, and their massive paws act as paddles in the water. They use their keen sense of smell to locate seals, their main prey, and catch them. Polar bears can spend hours in the freezing water, waiting for the right moment to attack. What makes polar bears even more special is their ability to adapt to their environment. They use snow and ice to hunt, and their white fur makes them nearly invisible in their surroundings. Furthermore, polar bears are social animals that display complex behaviors, such as using their immense strength to move ice floes and explore new hunting grounds. Number 7. The giraffe. The giraffe, the tallest land animal in the world, is one of the most iconic animals of Africa. With a height that can reach up to 6 meters and a neck that can be up to 2 meters long, the giraffe is an impressive sight in the African savanna. The giraffe has the unique ability to eat from trees that are unreachable for most other animals. Thanks to its height, it can easily reach the tops of acacia trees, where the nutritious leaves and shoots are found. What makes the giraffe so remarkable is not only its enormous height, but also its social structure. Giraffes live in groups, which mainly consist of females and young giraffes, while the male giraffes often wander in smaller groups. Dominant male giraffes compete for the honor of fatherhood through impressive fights where they use their necks as weapons. Giraffes have excellent eyesight and can spot danger from great distances. This helps them detect threats early and move to safety. Despite their massive size and slow movements, giraffes can run quickly if needed, and they are capable of rapidly evading danger. Number 6. The hippopotamus. Though hippos may seem a bit clumsy, they are anything but slow and awkward. Weighing up to 3,200 kilograms and stretching up to 5 meters in length, the hippopotamus is one of the most formidable animals in Africa. These enormous creatures spend most of their time in the water, where they protect themselves from the scorching heat of the African sun. Hippos are surprisingly fast runners and can reach speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour, despite their massive build. But what makes them even more impressive is their aggressive nature. Hippos are known for their violent behavior, both towards each other and other animals. They can use their massive teeth to overpower enemies or prey with brute force. What makes hippos so fascinating is their surprisingly close bond with their family members. They live in groups, often consisting of dozens of individuals, and communicate with each other through grunts and sounds. This social structure helps them protect their territory and avoid conflicts. Number 5. The African elephant. The African elephant is undoubtedly one of the most impressive animals on Earth. Weighing up to 6,000 kilograms and reaching lengths of up to 7.5 meters, the elephant is the largest land animal currently living. These gigantic creatures are not only powerful, but also remarkably intelligent, with a memory that allows them to remember the locations of water sources for years. What truly makes the African elephant special is its social structure. They live in matriarchal groups, where the oldest and most experienced female elephant leads the herd. This matriarch ensures the safety of the group, finds new food and water sources, and leads them on migrations. Elephants are also very emotional animals. They show feelings of sadness, joy, and even grief when a family member dies. Furthermore, elephants possess incredible strength, and their trunk is one of the most versatile organs in the animal kingdom. They use their trunks to drink, eat, communicate, and even uproot trees. These impressive abilities not only help them survive, but also influence the ecosystem in which they live. Number 4. The whale shark. The whale shark is the largest fish on Earth, but despite its massive size, it is completely friendly. This impressive sea giant can grow up to 18 meters long and weigh up to 19,000 kilograms. Whale sharks are filter feeders and primarily eat plankton, small fish, and other marine organisms. They use their enormous mouths to take in large amounts of water and filter the plankton out. Whale sharks are found in warm tropical seas and are often seen near coral reefs where plankton is abundant. Despite their enormous size, whale sharks are peaceful, and in fact it is rare to see them act aggressively toward other animals. Instead, they swim calmly through the ocean, their massive bodies gliding like giant shadows through the water. What makes the whale shark fascinating is its ability to navigate the ocean. Whale sharks have an astonishingly well-developed sense of smell, allowing them to scan their environment and find food, even from great distances. Number 3. The sperm whale. The sperm whale is not only one of the largest marine mammals, but also plays a crucial role in deep-sea ecology. This giant can grow up to 20.5 meters long and weigh up to 57,000 kilograms. What makes the sperm whale so special is its enormous head, which accounts for nearly half its length and contains a unique echolocation system. This allows the sperm whale to navigate the dark depths of the ocean. Sperm whales can dive as deep as 2,000 meters to catch their prey, such as squid. Their ability to reach such depths is the result of their adaptations to the immense pressure of the ocean. They hunt enormous squid, which sometimes are larger than the sperm whale itself. The sperm whale is also an important part of the marine ecosystem by maintaining the balance in the food chain. Unfortunately, sperm whales are vulnerable due to human activities such as pollution and the effects of commercial whaling. Nevertheless, the sperm whale remains one of the most impressive and mysterious creatures in the ocean. Number 2. The colossal squid. The colossal squid is one of the largest invertebrates on Earth. It can reach a length of 14 meters and weigh about 500 kilograms. This mysterious squid lives deep in the ocean at depths ranging from 1,000 to 2,000 meters below the surface. What really stands out about this squid are its enormous eyes, which can grow up to 27 centimeters in diameter. These eyes help the colossal squid navigate in the darkness of the deep sea. The colossal squid hunts other sea life, such as fish and smaller whales. It is an ambush predator, grabbing its prey with its tentacles when it comes close. Although the colossal squid is rarely seen, there is evidence that it plays a key role in the deep sea food web. Thanks to its unique adaptations, the colossal squid is one of the most fascinating and elusive creatures in the ocean, and an essential part of the marine ecosystem. Number 1. The blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal to have ever lived on Earth, even larger than the biggest dinosaurs. With a length of up to 30 meters and a weight of 200,000 kilograms, this is the giant of the ocean. Blue whales primarily feed on krill, a small animal that exists in massive schools. Despite their enormous size, they filter these tiny creatures out of the water using their baleen plates. Blue whales are found in all oceans except the polar regions, and migrate annually over long distances. They play an important role in the marine ecosystem by regulating plankton populations. Their massive size and impressive strength make them the most iconic marine mammals. Despite their immense power, blue whales are vulnerable to threats like climate change and human activity. Thanks to global conservation measures, their populations are slowly recovering. These giants remain a symbol of the power and beauty of the ocean. That was the 10 largest animals on Earth. Which animal amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments. Want to see more videos like this? Subscribe to Top 10 Wild and never miss a video. We think you'll also enjoy these videos. See you next time.